Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable a smart split setting and how to use it split screen on Vivo mobile. So friends, you want to enable this setting. Friends, you can see I can use friends dual screen on my Vivo mobile. Friends, you can see I can use guys this dual screen on my Vivo mobile. Friends, you want to use this dual screen, so how to enable this setting on Vivo phone device and how to use it. So first of all guys, you will have to on your Vivo phone setting. After on phone setting, as you can see this type interface on your Vivo phone. So friends, you will have to click on Vivo phone shortcut and accessibility setting. After guys shortcut accessibility, second option friends, you can see smart split setting, split screen setting. Friends, click here and guys your split screen setting is off. So friends, click here and guys after enable split screen, friends, now you can use your dual screen on your Vivo phone. So we first friends we will on YouTube app. After on the YouTube app guys, we will split our screen, and you can use guys your split screen. And friends, you can see exit split screen. You can exit from here, and friends you can use guys only this app is available. Then friends, you cannot split guys your phone setting. So friends, we will on Chrome app. So friends, you can see guys with YouTube we can use Chrome app on Vivo phone device. So friends, you can enable your split screen, and friends you can adjust your screen from here. So like that friends, we can enable and friends we can use smart split setting on Vivo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubts? So friends, you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check. I will help you. Bye friends.